kwake kwasuka i-debate embi kabi between uTerra Likota kanye noJulius Malema bekhuluma ngendaba yomhlaba. And uTerra Likota wayebuza nje iquestion eyodwa ukuthi ingabe umhlaba uzoya kubani njengoba nithi umhlaba is for our people. So umbuzo wakho omkhulu wayethi ngobani our people? Ngabe sikhuluma ngabantu ukuthi awuthathe abantu abamhlophe esunika obani?
Honorable Malema,
Yes.
nobody gave you the authority to do that. Go ahead, Honorable Malema.
Well, Deputy President, in that case, are you going to amend the Bill of
President,
Rights?
Honorable Member.
Are you going to amend the Bill of Rights, Comrade President, so that South Africa must know that this
honorable
constitution
members,
is no
order.
longer relevant under your leadership? Are you going to take the Bill of Rights? Are you going to take our rights under the Bill of Rights? We really need to know that reply.
Deputy Speaker.
And we cannot not ask that question today.
Deputy Speaker.
We ask it and we want to know. If you are going to give this land, you said something, you are going to give the land
take your seat.
to our people. Now please tell us who is not our people in this country. Who is our people?
Honorable member.
Who is not our people? Who is?
Deputy
I'm
Speaker.
not one of you. Well,
What are you raising on,
it's a
Honorable
matter.
Member?
It's a matter
Speaker.
that the
Honorable
president will answer.
Honorable Likota.
Who is not our people? Who
Deputy
is our
Speaker.
people? This constitution says all of
Order,
us are South
honorable
Africans,
members.
and all of
Honorable
us
Likota.
have got the same rights. So leave the howlers aside.
Deputy Speaker.
Honorable
Who
Likota,
are you
please
going
take
to
your
give
seat.
the land to?
Honorable
You take it
Likota.
from whom, and to whom are you going to give it? We want to answer.
Take your seat. What are you raising, Honorable Member?
I want to check if Mr. Terra Likota can take a question.
Honorable Likota.
I'm asking questions. You can answer them. President,
honorable member.
if you are going to take the land, are you going to give it to Basotho, or are you going
Point
to
of
give
order,
to
sir.
which section of the population?
Point of order,
Who
sir.
is our
honorable
people?
members,
I must
allow
ask
the
you.
member to
finish.
Who is our people? Who is not
Point
our
of
people?
order, sir.
The National Party used to say others are
Point of
Europeans,
order,
others
sir.
are non-Europeans.
Honorable
No,
Likota.
who is
Point of
our
order,
people?
sir.
Who is non-our people? I want to know that. No, my time is.
So ingenze lento le ngaphinde ngabona ukuthi yazini kuyadingeka ukuthi sike siphinde sifundisane sivumelane zabantu about indaba yomhlaba, because umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi ngubani lo okumele aphathe umhlaba. Umhlaba ngokabani kahle kahle ukuqala nje lapho, because uma ubheka umlando nathi ezabantu abamnyama awusibeki abantu bomhlaba, unless kuyomele mina nawe sivumelane ukuthi ukuze umuntu kuthiwa owna umhlaba kumele kube kanti unani or wenzeni. Angikwenzele nje example emakhaya esikhulele kuwo uyakhumbula ukuthi kuyakwaziwa nje endaweni ukuthi la kukaSibiya umhlaba kaSibiya lo umhlaba kabanibani lo, and futhi uthola alikho nephepha elibhaliwe lishoyo le nto leyo, but ngokolwazi nje lwasendaweni kuyazi ukuthi lo umhlaba kaSibanibani. Uma singathi senza uphenyo ngaye uSibanibani ukuthi uthatha lo mhlaba, uyothola ukuthi naye wafika endaweni empty, wazikalela wazisikela wathi umhlaba wakhe lo kungakafika abanye abantu. So if uyabheka nomlando wala South Africa ucishe ube into enjalo ukuthi if ubuka into eziningi uzothola ukuthi abantu bokuqala ukufika ngokomlando amaKhoekhoe kanye namaSen. And so labo bantu uma sithi umhlaba uya ngokuthi ubani ofike eqala futhi umhlaba ngowabo, unless sizophinde sibheke ukuthi ukufika kuphi, because iqiniso lithi amaKhoekhoe namaSen awazange afike kwi-South Africa yonke, afika kumaphisi athile ase-South Africa anjengo-Western Cape kanje no-Northern Cape. And futhi sabese siyalandela thina ezigroup yesibili sisuka le phezulu ko-Angola siza ngapha ezansi ezunguni namanye ama-tribes, safika nathi sa-occupy umhlaba esasewuthola u-empty, esingekho sure ukuthi wawu-empty ngempela yini, because labantu ababekhona phambi kwethu babizwa ukuthi ama-hunter gatherers. That means bayazingela behlale kulo ndawo, uma sekungathi kufika amakhaza bayamuva futhi njengey'nyoni zezulu behambe beyocinga indawo eyomile la bezokwazi ukuphila khona because iy'mpahla zazingekho. So kungenza ukuthi ukufika kwethu safika bengekho besamuvile bekwenye indawo. But 1652 kufika abantu abamhlophe, mabefika badibana namaKhoekhoe, bafike bayababulala, babenza ama-slaves yonke lento leyo, bayaphuma baya ngapha ko-Eastern Cape, bafike bathola amaXhosa khona nakhona bayawa-abuse amaXhosa benza yonke lento le, bathatha umhlaba. Now i-question ithi uma siwudistributa lo mhlaba siwudistributa njani? Ama-organization kamaningi anama-answers are-different kanye nama-countries amaningi kona asekayizamile lento le ama-country, because nawo abhekana nenkinga yodwa ukuthi umhlaba uya kubani kahle kahle. And kwabonakala ukuthi uma umhlaba uzoya ebantwini abathile ngokufika kuqala kwabo uzosilimaza, uzosusa i-civil war, and uzosusa ukuthi abantu belwe, amaKhoekhoe afuna ukuthi umhlaba wabo, abelungu bathi umhlaba wabo, namaXhosa athi umhlaba wabo, namaZulu athi umhlaba wabo ingonyama trust kuthiwe yabo, or amaPedi athi nawo aneshela. So uyabona ukuthi kuzokuxabana. And so if uyabheka, most of the time sihlale sikhuzwa ngabantu abamhlophe ukuthi uma nothatha umhlaba nizofana neZimbabwe, nizofana namanye amakhandi ase-Afrika, oMozambique nobani bani abawuthatha umhlaba, but uma ubheka isimo sabo kuze kube namhlanje baphuwa. I-country zabo abantu bakhona bayabaleka, benza into ekuthiwa i-migration, i-economic migration, ba-move from one country to another because bafuna amathuba angcono empilo. And nathi bezala kithi eSouth Africa kakhulu, but nathi singabantu abathi sifuna ukuphinde si-apply lama processes abawa-applyile la kithi, esingazi ukuthi sizowa-applya ngendlela ephucukile ukufunda from ama-mistakes abo, or sizohamba ngale ndlela esihamba ngayo. Ngiyireza lento le because abanye abantu, ngizokwenza le example njengoJulius Malema. uJulius Malema kwenza ivideo ethi uma nithola umhlaba ngenani nakhe kuwo. I think lento le bamsana nasecourt ke over yona ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi ungavela ukuthi abantu mabangene kumhlaba, ucreate chaos. Ngifuna uyibuke le video kaMalema ekhuluma lento leyo, then siphinde sihambe siye eZimbabwe after lapho siyobuka ukuthi ayifani lento ayikhuluma nento eyenzeke eZimbabwe ukuze i-economy yakhona i-collapse.
No backing down.
When we live here, you see any beautiful piece of land, you like it, occupy it, it belongs to you. It is your land. It is the land of our forefathers. It is a land that was taken from us by white people by force through genocide. They killed our people. We are not talking violence. We are not promoting violence. But I cannot guarantee the future. I'm not a prophet. I'm talking now. We are not carrying any weapons. I will never kill white people. Why should I kill them? I will never revenge for what they did. I'm asking politely for the land to be returned. And if they don't return it, I cannot guarantee what will happen next.
Now, if usibone njengoba sibukele le video manje uzonothisa ukuthi unika abantu igunya lokuthi bethatha umhlaba ngendlela engekho right, of which ke abantu abaningi bavumela ukuthi yona leyo ndlela ayikho right ke, noma athi umhlaba wawubona uvulekile uhleli laphana, awukwazi ukuthi ungavela uye laphana ufike wakhe ungazi ukuthi umhlaba kabani. 2, ngifuna ubuke nansi enye ivideo engizoyifaka la about iZimbabwe. Abantu baseZimbabwe bathi bakumgabe bafuna umhlaba and bamthatinisha nokuthi ifaka unika umhlaba ngeke basamsupport labantu ekuthiwa ama-war veteran, laba bemncedisa ngesikhathi kuliwa kutholakala inkululeko yaseZimbabwe isabizwa ukuthi i-rotation lesasikhathi. Now nabo bethatha the same approach ukuthi sizohamba siye kuma-farm. Ukhona nje ubaba engizofaka la, lo baba ukhomba i-farm yomunye umlungu, lo mlungu unento zakhe azitshalayo. Uma ikhomba le farm, ukhomba ngokuthi ngizothatha le farm and somnika amalanga athile lo mlungu ukuthi ahambe. Ngifuna uyibuke le video nayo ungibonise ukuthi akufani yini lo engikufaka eqaleni nalokho, ukuthi akuyona ini approach eyodwa le yokuthatha umhlaba, and if yiyo it means kuzomela siphinde sizinuka amakhwapha, or siphinde simmamele futhi uMalema ukuthi kahle uthini, ingabe into ayiminayo le or umina something different.
The president denies he's instructed the war veterans to act, but has done nothing to enforce court rulings that say the occupations are illegal. Across Zimbabwe, up to 900 farms have now been invaded by ZANU-PF supporters. This group has set up camp within sight of Rory Hensman's homestead.
That's a very real threat when you've got someone standing there saying, chap, you're on the next boat to England.
Well, I didn't actually intimidate him, but I told him that we have come to occupy your farm. Maybe somebody can say it's intimidating, but I was telling him that we are here now to occupy the farm.
I was born here. I've lived here all my life. I've never had any intention of going anywhere else, and I still don't. I've sunk my life into this farm. I love it. I've got people working for me here who worked for my father. We've got a number of chaps here who've been here, well over 50 years now.
If uyayibona le ndoda ikhuluma ngokuthi angizange ngimthuse lo mlungu, instead ngimtshela ukuthi sizothatha le farm yakho isingeyethu manje. I-question ekumele uzibuze nayo manje ukuthi ngabe i-experience yokurana leya farm ikhona yini, because leya farm kungenza ukuthi beyenza into imali ethile e-contributor to i-country, njengoba ama-report amaningi asho ukuthi in terms of agriculture iZimbabwe was best. So ingabe njengoba sekuthathwa le farm ikhuluma ukuthini lento le, isho ukuthi kahle kahle ingabe ilontuza banaso isipiliyoni sokurana le farm or kanjani, because uyabona ukufika kwakhona bafika sebakha izinto ngotshani. That means even imali yokurana le farm ayikho, of which into engibona ukuthi singafunda kuzo lezi ukuthi thina uma si-approacha indaba yomhlaba si-approacha ngelithi sizofunda kulantu bobabili. Now if ukompera ivideo yokuqala engiyifakile kaJulius Malema kanye nevideo engizoyifaka kaJulius Malema, ungumuntu aware ukuthi amaphutha aseZimbabwe ahamba kanjani. Uyaveza nokusho ukuthi angeke amaphutha enzeke eZimbabwe enzeke nalapha kithi, because uyawazi amaphutha ukuthi ahamba kanjani. So ngifuna ukuthi siyibuke le video uyibone, then bese singena udabeni sesijula ngamandla sike sibuke kahle kahle ukuthi ngubani kahle kahle lokumela aphathe umhlaba ethu uphathele thina sonke. Ngubani lo nelungelo lokuthi umhlaba ngowakhe, between thina abantu abamnyama, abantu abamhlophe, zonke nje ezizizwa lozithola la eSouth Africa. Ngubani lo unamandla ukuthi umhlaba ngowakhe.
We are actually heading to a point of bankruptcy if we take the land like Zimbabwe. We are repeating Zimbabwe. And I'm looking at the images of Zimbabwe and I'm looking at the images of South Africa. There is no comparison at all. There is a democratic discourse in South Africa on how the land should be expropriated without compensation. In Zimbabwe, there was machete, there was the army in the farms of people. White people were beaten up. We have not done that yet. White people call us all sorts of names. They're so angry. We have not beaten them up. So, what is the comparison between us and Zimbabwe? Nothing at all. We're talking here.
Alright, now that we will video, uyambona ukuthi uMalema umuntu aware ukuthi ama mistakes enzeke eZimbabwe, and because enzeke eZimbabwe iZimbabwe yazithola la ikhona manje. But ngifuna ukuvela ngelinye engeli ngikubonisa ukuthi indaba yomhlaba iyodwa akuyona inkinga. Vele iqiniso lithi umhlaba kumele ubuye ebantwini abathathela umhlaba. But i-problem is that ke manje abanye babantu abamhlophe umhlaba sebawuthenga from abantu abawutshontsha. That means yena akasangena indawo ekuthini umhlaba watholakala kanjani, because yena wawuthenga lo mhlaba mhlawumbe wawuthenga ngo-95 or wawuthenga ngo-2000 and umhlaba wathathwa ngo-1652. Now iZimbabwe yeza ngenye approach yokuthi sizowuthatha thina umhlaba kanje. IMozambique yeza ne-approach ethi umhlaba sizowuthatha kanje. Ngifuna sibuke lama countries oyi-2 because i-approach yokuthatha umhlaba yawo ayifani. Uma ubheka iZimbabwe akulona iqiniso ukuthi yathatha umhlaba ndena abantu abamhlophe bayiphanisha bayishanga ama-sanctions ukuthi ingaphindi survive ngenxa yokuthi ithathela abantu abamhlophe umhlaba. Into eyaxabanisa kakhulu ukuthi before kuthatha umhlaba kwenzakalani. Uzonothisa ukuthi before kuthatha umhlaba umgaba wathola i-country ekade ifunctiona kahle. Wathola i-country othi mawuyibheka into eziprodusayo ngwe-agriculture yayi number 1 ihamba phambili. Kwakwaziwa nje ukuthi uma ukompare iZimbabwe ukompare ama-countries ase-Africa aphila right uyayibala iZimbabwe lapho. And futhi even ne-manufacturing ama-companies ayeproduce izinto ayemaningi. So kwakubonakala ukuthi wanikwa umshini oranayo umgabe up to a point yokuthi inkinga zakhe zaqala from 95 kuya phezulu, wathatha inqumo ezingekho right ezilidishela to u2000 ukuthatha umhlaba uthatha nje i-economy yaseZimbabwe ibisibonakala ukuthi ayikho right, ngeke isurvive even if kuthiwa uthatha umhlaba. So ukuthatha umhlaba kwamgaba kubona ukuthi kwawisa umnotho, but it was just isigxivizo sokugcina ukuthi iyawa le economy, because uma ubheka ngokwenumbers kunalento ekuthiwa i-GDP. I-GDP sikuke sibuka ukuthi i-country ithengisa into ezingakanani ngonyaka, yenza malini ngonyaka. Angikwenze example sithi nje iSouth Africa i-GDP yayo isibonela kusinjalo yenza 100 billion ngonyaka. Ngonyaka olandelayo yenze 90 billion. Okusho ukuthi lo economy ayikhuli, because uma senze u100 billion ngo-2026 kumele ukuthi ngo-2027 senze mhlawumbe u150 billion. Kanjalo leyo nto leisho ukuthi i-economy ithi iyakhula, ikhanda amathuba omsebenzi, ikhanda ini. But mawuyobheka i-numbers eZimbabwe ayikhulumi leyo nto leyo. Instead ithi le number bezilokhu ezehla. Umgaba uphathe from 1980, but from 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000 i-numbers lokhu eziyehla zithi. Okusho khona ukuthi ukuthathwa komhlaba akona okwashaya ngqo ikhanda ukuze i-economy yaseZimbabwe ife. Kodwa kwase kuvele kubonakala ukuthi inqumo zikaMgabe aziyikhulisi i-economy seziyayibulala. Yingakho wathe introduce okokuqala ngiwenze i-example, if nje awuyikhumbula hleleni ngayahamba uyobuka le video yami yesibili eyokuqala ngikade ngiyenzini. uMgabe wadecide ukuthi aba bantu abamncedisa ukuthi ayolokhu njani alwe ukuze kutholakale inkululeko kanti bathi bafuna ukubhadalwa because babencedisi babelwile. So umgaba wabhadalwa wabenzela ama-payment amakhulu. Abatshali izimali baseZimbabwe batatazela bathi ayikho safe le ndawo lokuthi singafaka imali zethu because nawe awuyicabange nawe ake sithi nje unemali yakho mhlawumbe uwini lo 200 million and njengoba uwini 100 million kune country efuna utshale 20 million yakho kuyo. Angeke uyitshale uma wabona ukuthi ipresident leyo country decide ukubhadala abantu abangasebenzanga ngenxa yokuthi basebenza ngesikhathi sobandlululo. Uyayibona ukuthi isounda njani i-wrong and izwakala ukubona ukuthi idla amandla abanye abantu abangayingenanga yonke le nto leya. So umgaba ohamba ngaleyo angle leyo kwathola ukuthi i-economy yawo ufika nje 2000 umgaba uzothatha umhlaba kuningi kwenzile okwenza i-country ishone phansi ingayenzi imali. Kufana nokuthi u-own ispaza shop. Le spaza shop sakho sikwenzela ngeviki sikwenzela u1000 so wena ukuthi nje ngeviki nje ulindele iprofit ya 1000 rand but kusukela ngoJuly or ngoAugust ukuyehla uyanotice ukuthi hey angisayenzi 1000 rand sengenza u900 kule nyanga hayibo so wenza u600 kule nyanga wenza u500 kule nyanga wenza ntontoni kule nyanga uyabona ukuthi okusho ukuthi le mali iya-indicate ukuthi kukhona inkinga eyenzakala kukhona ukuthi abantu abasakuthengeli. Instead of to address leyo nkinga uthatha umhlaba. So it's the same thing that happened to Zimbabwe ukuthi it's not because of umhlaba kuphela. Angisho ukuthi umhlaba uzange ube effect but umhlaba wathola ukuthi vele sekunenxeba vele existayo bathi bewuthatha umhlaba kwavele kwashaya inxebelelo eliphilayo. Yingakho iZimbabwe siyithola ke manje ukuthi from lapho even if umamela kahle phela umamela izathu ze-America ne-Europe ukuthi uyakhumbula ngosaka 2000 umgaba besixabana nalama country because athi awukwazi ukwenza lento yenzayo. Uma bebala izathu ezenza ukuthi bemkhathe off umgaba uzokhumbula ukuthi iZimbabwe abantu abaningi baseZimbabwe okhuluma nabo bathi the reason why they poor is because of ama-sanctions. Ama-sanctions ilanto yokuthi i-country enkulu ifuna ukukuphanisha, ifuna ukuzwisa ubuhlungu uyeke lento yenzayo ngokuthi ivala amandla ayo ukuthi i-countries ezinye zingasasebenzisani nawo. Njenge-America nje uma i-sanction ake sithi i-sanction athini isifaka kuma-sanction kusho ukuthi kunento zase-America ezingeke zisaba khona eSouth Africa. Kunento ezingeke sikwazi ukuzithengisa e-America. I-America ithenga kakhulu vele. Nala South Africa nje namanje i-America esithenga into zethu kakhulu. So imagine market wasixabana nayo isifaka ama-sanction kusho ukuthi into eziningi eziye lapha. U-KFC kuzomela uhambe, kuzomela i-Gmail uhambe, kuzomela i-Twitter uhambe, u-WhatsApp uhambe. Zonke nje lezi zinto lezi kuzomela zihambile. So ama-sanction lento le so neZimbabwe ikhala ngokuthi ngenxa ukuthi yafakwa eboxini iyodwa ukuthi ingakwazi ukuphila namanye ama-country yabaphuwa. But uma ubheka ama-countries ukuthi athi yini enza ukuthi ingene lapha eZimbabwe. Okokuqala iZimbabwe kuthiwa yayihlukumeza abantu ingawahloniphi amalungelo abantu and i-America yazi nawo ukuthi sometimes if ithi awahloniphi amalungelo abantu iyakwazi ukuthola ithuba ikuphanishele nezinye izinto ezingale mumva. So nalento ukuthi umgabe bekuthi makungama-elections edlala i-corruption khona laphana nje ziningi izathu ezenza ukuthi umgabe axabane ne-America. So ukuthathwa komhlaba it was just uku-add kuyinkinga ezazexista vele. So and ukuthatha umgabe umhlaba uthatha akawuniki abantu bonke unika abantu aba-close to yena and now abantu they have no interest kwi-farming. That's why noThabo Mbeki mabembuza ukuthi kutheni wawuthatha ngomhlaba ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi sizowuthatha siwunike bani umhlaba because abantu bethu abanamali. Uza ukuthi uThabo Mbeki uma ubheka endaweni ezihlala kuzo manje ukhona umhlaba ohleli pha awufensiwe awenziwa ngani uhleli nje so. Leyo nto leyo according to yena kuyi-proof yokuthi abantu abaningi abawudingi umhlaba because umhlaba ukhona abawusebenzisi. Now sibuye kwiMozambique. iMozambique into ayenza yona was just to take yonke into. Umhlaba yethu mawubelonge kuphi kwi-government. But iphuwa namhlanje. And ngeke sithi it's because of ukuthathwa komhlaba ekwenza ukuthi bephuwa. But iphuwa because of into ezalandela after ithathwa umhlaba njengokuthi kwabe sekuba khona i-civil war. Abantu balwa belwa izimpi ezingapheli. Ziyalimaza umnotho leyo nto leyo.